Okay, welcome to fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction is one number written over another number. And we're going to talk about those numbers in detail as we go on in these lectures, but let's look at it in its most basic form. If you were to cut a cake into two pieces, like this square we've got here, we've taken it, and we've cut it into two pieces. In other words, what you would know as halves. Okay, so a fraction will tell us the top part of this fraction, which is the 1 over here, tells us how much of the two pieces, which is the 2 over there, are being used. And it tells us one of the two pieces are used. In other words, somebody ate one piece. So let's color one piece in. Okay, that's the coloring that I'm doing today. Sorry, it's not great. So that one piece represents the number on the top, 1. And these two pieces here represent that one and that one. There's 2. So in other words, 1 of 2 pieces was eaten. That's a half. Okay, let's look at another example. We have here 2 pieces were used out of 3 pieces. Now you can see my very rudimentary rectangle at the bottom here. We're going to color in how many pieces were used. The top part says 2. So let's color in 2 pieces. 1, and you can color in any order. You can color in 1 there and 1 there. As long as 2 are used, we don't mind. 2 pieces are used. 2 pieces are used out of how many pieces? 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces. That's 2/3. Let's look at the next one. How many pieces would you say we're going to color in here? We've got 4 pieces in total. And as you can see in our picture, we have got 4 pieces here. Okay? Now we're using how many pieces? How many pieces are we using? 3. 3 of the 4. So we're going to color in 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them were taken or used out of how many pieces? 4. Okay, so let's look at how we got this. 3 pieces was this here. 1, 2, 3 were used out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, imagine it that you were cutting a pizza into 4 slices. And you got 3 and your brother got 1. But those 3 add up and the 1 add up to 4. Okay, so you got 3 of them and somebody else got this one over here. Okay, 3 of 4. Now, we've got to learn what these numbers are called, because you're going to know these words for the top and the bottom of the fraction forevermore. So you better learn them today. Today's your day. The top one is called the numerator. And the bottom one is called the denominator. So, let us look at what we've got here in our rectangle cut up. Which part is the denominator of the fraction? It's this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the total number of pieces it's cut into. That's our denominator. And which part would be our numerator? Well, we would have to go look how much are going to be used. We can see here 2. So we're going to go color in 2 pieces. That would be our numerator number. There's 2 pieces colored in. Okay, so our numerator is 2 and our denominator is 5. Try say numerator. That's your top number on a fraction. And denominator is your bottom number on a fraction. Okay, so our numerator here is 3. Our denominator here is 7. Now we're going to say, okay, fine. We can see we have 7 blocks down here. That's our denominator. But we are using 3. So let's color in 3 of them. Okay, got it now. So let's write the words again. Numerator. And the bottom one, denominator. Okay, hope you're catching this. It's not so difficult. And I'm going to see you in the next lecture where we're going to go into more depth. I just want you to understand what a fraction is and why it's written like that. See you just now. Bye.